Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how can you allow attendees to unmute themselves during your meeting on the Webex Meet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the home icon down below, which is the first option. Then tap on Start Meeting in the middle of the screen. After selecting your audio, tap on the Start icon. Click on this icon in the upper right corner of the screen. And you should tap on this three dots icon at the bottom of the page in the right side corner. Now, as you can see, it is set to don't allow attendees to unmute themselves. So if you want to change it to allow attendees to unmute themselves, click on it. And then it has been updated. This function has been updated. So you can change it anytime by going back to this section and clicking on the other option. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.